Welcome to our next tutorial on our record books. In this tutorial, we're going to cover the nomination form, title page, and table of contents. Here is a sample of our nomination form. Every record book is required to fill out our nomination form. At the top, you want to make sure that you fill out your name, so first and last name. Next, you want to select what age category you are applying for. And this is the grade that you were in this last school year. So our record books go over the past 4-H year, so we want to make sure that we are in the right age. Next, you have your club listed and your last grade completed. In this middle section here is where you will have all of your different awards. Now remember, you can only apply for up to 4 awards. Make sure you have the 4-H'er signature and the leader signature on each line. At the bottom here, you have your 4-H'er and your leader signature. Now make sure that your nomination form includes both the signature of the 4-H'er and the leader. Without both of those signatures, the awards will only be considered for merit. Next is our title page. Now this can go on the outside of your binder if you have a clear plastic cover, or it can go on the very inside, very first page. You want to make sure you include your club, first and last name, and the grade that you last completed. So here we can see we have the L&W Feeders Club, Maggie Yoder, and she completed 10th grade. You can also include a photo of yourself if you would like. Finally is our table of contents. Now this is our suggested order for the record book. It does not have to be in this order, but whatever order you put your record book in, make sure that your table of contents reflects this. Your table of contents should be on a paper by itself, and you should have your table of contents in the order of your record book. So here you can see that we suggest it to be yearly summary, your 4-H story, non-project clippings and photographs, and then your project records for your specific project areas. Now, whatever order you decide to put your book in, just make sure that your table of contents is in the same order. This concludes our tutorial on our nomination form, title page, and table of contents. If you have any questions, make sure you check out our website for more information.